Deckies, you asked me about deck products and cleaners, so this list is for y'all. As we should all be protective of Mother Ocean and definitely MARPOL compliant, there are really only a few suppliers out there that are truly eco-friendly. On our boats, and we have from 16 feet to 108 feet in saltwater and in freshwater, we use DiTEC. My first officer has done an amazing job of researching this heavily and swears by DiTEC. So let me tell you about what we use. It's their whole line, actually. The boat soap, hull and bottom cleaner, Wipeout, which is their degreaser, Black Streak, obviously for black streaks, and Metal on PX for our metals. I really like it for our stainless. Oh, their tea cleaner as well. I love that stuff. For one, you can rinse it right into the water and don't have to worry about Mother Ocean or MARPOL, and it won't burn your skin like other two parts if you get it on you. And almost forgot, their Glass Tech for the glass, and the Protect 1 to protect the paint or the gel coat. All right, I think I got it all. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll connect you with my officer, actually, because he knows way more about it than I do.